Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm the DeFi Doctor, Head of Education at Decentralized Masters, and today we're diving into a significant topic, crypto scams. Being in 2025, the digital asset space is growing rapidly, but so are the scams, targeting new and experienced investors alike. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 crypto scams to avoid in 2025, so you can stay ahead of the game, protect your investments, and avoid falling into the traps scammers have set. Let's jump right in. First up, we have phishing scams. These scams are nothing new, but as digital assets continue to rise in popularity, so do phishing attempts. You'll receive emails, messages, or even social media posts that look like they're from legitimate platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or even DeFi protocols. Now, phishing scams are becoming more and more sophisticated. Scammers are getting smarter with the emails that they send. You could receive an email that looks like it's from Coinbase or another trusted exchange, asking you to click one link to verify your account or update a password. If you click that link, it could lead you straight to a fake website designed to steal your credentials and access your funds. Speaking of phishing, NordVPN is an excellent tool to secure your online activity and protect yourself from malicious sites. If you're serious about staying safe online, check it out. Right now, you can get 76% off plus a $50 Amazon gift card when you sign up through our exclusive link in the description below. Don't let phishing scams get the best of you. Protect yourself with NordVPN today. 2. Ponzi schemes and fake investment platforms. These are fraudulent investment schemes that promise incredibly high returns in a very short period of time. They often resemble high-yield investment programs, or HYIPs, or too good to be true platforms that promise guaranteed profits. Any platform guarantee you will be generating a specific amount per day, whether it's 10% daily or 20% weekly or anything else, is not legitimate. This is a major red flag. A real investment opportunity will never promise fixed returns like this. How to avoid it? Be skeptical of platforms promising guaranteed returns with little or no risk. Always do your research and check for red flags like lack of transparency or verifiable business practices. 3. Fake airdrops and token giveaway scams. Fake airdrops and token giveaways are also on the rise in 2025. Scammers will promise you free digital assets in exchange for a small payment or your wallet info. They might even ask you for gas fees before sending you the supposed free tokens. Here's how to avoid it. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Never ever send funds to claim free tokens or giveaways. Always verify giveaways directly on official social media channels or platforms. 4. Rug pulls in DeFi projects and meme coins. A rug pull is when a DeFi project or token promises high returns but then suddenly disappears, taking investors' funds with it. These can be particularly tricky in decentralized finance, where anyone can launch a token without proper vetting. Meme coins have become a very popular way to launch rug pulls in the digital asset space. They're high risk, but high reward. However, 99% of meme coin traders lose because the game is rigged. These coins are often pump and dump schemes that gain massive hype for a very short period of time before the developers pull the rug out, disappearing with your funds. How to avoid it? Research the project, check its team, community, and its history. Avoid investing in unverified or newly launched tokens with no roadmap or transparency. Use trusted platforms and ensure proper audits of any DeFi project or token. Be especially cautious with meme coins. The hype can be overwhelming, but they're often more of a gamble than an investment. 5. Social media impersonation scams. Finally, social media impersonation scams have become increasingly common. Scammers will impersonate well-known figures in the crypto space, like Elon Musk or Vitalik Buterin, offering fake giveaways or asking for help with your digital asset wallets. How to avoid it? Double-check usernames and always confirm whether the account is official. Do not send funds or give out personal information to unsolicited messages or accounts. So there you have it, the top 5 crypto scams to avoid in 2025. These scams are evolving, but with the proper knowledge, you can stay safe and protect your assets. Like, subscribe, and follow for more in-depth updates and safety tips. And as always, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you've encountered any of these scams or if you have any questions. Stay sharp, my friends, stay decentralized, and I'll catch you in the next one.